Hey friends, today is our last English lesson. You guys are rock stars. It's been great. You guys know what you're doing, and I'm just really proud of you guys. So I just want to simply review one last thing, and that is words that have ed endings, or taking a word and giving it an ed ending to change it into a new word. Okay, so the first one I want to talk about is fire. Okay, so you can say, I'm the boss and I am going to fire you, which I would not do that to any of you, but okay, so there's fire. Now, then a few days later, after I've done that, someone says, where's Luke? And I say, oh, I fired Luke. Okay, so you see how it goes from fire to fired. Now, we already know that it had an E, but it's still an ed ending. It's not just a D ending, it's an ed ending, okay? And then the other example I want to talk about that I have to write real fast would be, let's do this word. All right, we've talked about Mrs. Short, Mr. Short, and then remember Uncle Short? I'm going to remind you. So we know this is a short vowel word, hop, right? We're going to add the ed ending and turn it into hopped. So I'm going to say, look at that bunny over there. It looks like it's going to hop. And then a few minutes later, I say, that was really cute when that bunny hopped, right? So it's a short vowel. So we have Mrs. Short and then Mr. Short. So here's the vowel, Mrs. Short. The consonant is Mr. Short. And then remember, his Uncle Short is his twin. There's two P's here, right? So hopped. Okay, so it went from hop to hopped. So on your worksheet, what you're going to do is you're going to look at the front. It has a chart that has all of the vowels on it, and you'll notice that they're long vowels because they have the bar over the top of them, the straight line, okay? It says color each box, not a balk like a chicken, that has an object with the same vowel sound as the letter at the top of the column. So remember, if it's a long vowel, do it. So let's do the A column real fast. The first one is fan. Is that a long vowel? What about snail? That one is. Okay, so you need to look at each of those columns and figure out, okay, whichever one has the long vowel, you need to color that box any color you want. The rest of the worksheet at the bottom and then on the back side, it says mark the correct word. So what you need to do is look at the picture and then fill in the bubble next to the word, or next to the picture that's the correct word. Okay, that's all you have to do. It's crazy that that's it, but I feel like you guys are as prepared as we can be with what's going on in our world right now, and you guys have been awesome. And that's it. I mean, it's just crazy and exciting. So I'm really proud of how well you guys have done in English. You guys have proved that you are so smart, you are willing to learn, you're just great, okay? That's all I gotta say about it. So I'll see you guys next week with some different crafts, activities, things we're gonna do.